In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the Salesforce user interface, specifically focusing on switching between Lightning and Classic. If you're managing your work on Salesforce, knowing how to toggle between these two interfaces can be extremely useful, depending on your preference or the specific tasks you are handling. For those not familiar, Salesforce offers two main user interfaces, the modern and slick Lightning experience and the traditional tried and tested Classic. Each interface has its own unique features and benefits, and the choice really depends on what works best for your workflow. First things first, let's head over to a browser. You're going to want to navigate to the Salesforce login page. To get there, simply type in login.salesforce.com in the address bar. If you're not already familiar with this, it's the standard URL used to access the Salesforce platform, so it's a good one to remember. Once the page is loaded up, you'll see the familiar login screen prompting you for your credentials. At this point, go ahead and enter your Salesforce developer credentials. This step is crucial because Salesforce always requires a secure login to ensure that only authorized users can access the platform. If there's a chance you might have forgotten your password or username, you can utilize the Forgot Your Password link to recover your login information. It's always best to keep these details stored securely so you can log in without a hitch in the future. After logging in, you'll find yourself in either the Lightning or Classic interface, depending on your previous exit settings. To manually switch between these interfaces, pay attention to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. You'll notice an avatar or your profile picture. By clicking on this avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down, there's an option to switch your interface. If you are currently in the Lightning experience and want to switch to Classic, or vice versa, simply select Switch to Salesforce Classic or Switch to Lightning Experience. This action will immediately transport you to the desired interface. The process is seamless, and you won't lose any unsaved work during this transition, so it's safe to switch as needed throughout your day. Switching interfaces in Salesforce is incredibly straightforward, yet it can make a significant difference in your user experience. By knowing how to do this, you can leverage the full potential of Salesforce, making your daily tasks more efficient and tailored to your preferences. Whether you're a fan of the robust, streamlined Lightning experience or prefer the classic, more familiar interface, having this flexibility ensures you have the tools you need right at your fingertips. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now comfortable switching between these interfaces. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.